Hello guys, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga. So, pag mayroong karamdaman, if you have some problems about your muscle and joints, mayroon akong ipakilala, ibigay sa inyo ng mga iba't ibang uri ng mga lunas. So to solve the problem, we have the organic, we have the not synthetic, but it's not really kind na mayroong halo na sangkap. It could be tropical, ibang foreign. So ngayon, lalo na sa nagkaedad na, ako ay gusto na perfect ang aking muscle sa aking legs, lalo na nagkaedad na ako. I want to have a good kind of movements because I want to serve the Lord with good stamina. Kaya nga, inalagaan ko ang aking muscle at joints. So this one, I have this one in United States. Dinala ko na lang dito sa Philippines. It's a massage rub. Pero gagamitin ko lang ito when I have my neck massage. Not necessarily neck massage, but it's another kind of gadget. I have to show you. So, ang tawag dito is massager. It's a kind of massager cervical vertebra. Paano ba ito? So, ipakita ko sa iyo. This is for the problem. You want to either your problem is hypertensive or hypertension. Minsan you have a spike. You have a spike blood pressure. Dili ito gamitin na to prevent you from having high cholesterol. So this is like this. You have to open, you have to switch on. Mag-ilaw ito. Then you have to increase. Then press it in your neck. Katulad sa ginawa ko ngayon. Sorry. Hindi mo makita dito. Pero sa neck ito ilagay para to lower down your cholesterol level. Neck vertebral massage. So this is rechargeable. So then aside from this rub, this is convenient because this is a gel. I will have to apply it in my neck for the gel so that this will function in my neck. So this is a tropical. Ito ay galing dito sa Pilipinas. Tinatawag kung ano ang makikita ko doon sa ads. Ay subukan ko nga. This is Anahaw Healing Oil. Maganda ito. Kung anong problema sa kasawan, you have to rub it on. May relief nga. Kahit hindi 100%, but at least may improvement. Then this one, Miracle Oil. Galing din ito sa mga ads na sa Philippines. Di na i-try it, maganda rin. So I really wish na I will have a good kind of balance. Lalo na I have to improve my number of steps, then balance. Kahit ako mag-isa, hindi na ako problema sa aking joints because I have to move very carefully para hindi ka madulas. So, my favorite one is the lumbar spray. Lumbar spray. Because I have a problem sa aking spine. So it helps also. You will have a good result in your spine. Anong mga mayroong sakit sa balikat, then also your pelvis, mawala rin ang sakit. So I have to spray it sa gabi because when you go to sleep. Sa araw, mayroon ding experience mo na may improvement. So we really have to do it because sa aking mga regimen daily, I have to keep watch on my physical health. Lalo na gusto ko maglakad, then I have to go and visit. If you're not in good kind of balance, hindi kayo makalakad ng wasto. Tapos ang balance mo, matakot ka. You might feel down, lalo na magkaedad. So I have to get improved in my movements. So this one is Bee Venom. I bought this in United States. So maganda rin ito. Pag mayroong ka-allergies, mag-ubo, allergy cup, ipahid lang ito sa neck. At saka mayroon namang lunas din. You not be constantly coughing all the time. So itong aking binili are all useful. Pag kayo rin ay magkaroon ng kaunting mga disturbo, lalo na sa joint pains. So you can be helped by this kind mga oil. Miracle oil, may anaw, healing oil, may benefits ito na pwede mag-improve sa inyong mga karamdaman. Lalo na may mga bukol-bukol daw, pero I have not tried it. Pero siguro mayroong improvement. Mayroon naman akong tendonitis ito. Parang it is becoming soft. Baka wala na ito later. Din itong lumbar spray, ikasikandi pa ko ito ginagamit. So ang aking karamdaman is I have a mild scoliosis, yung curvature of the spine. Parang naagapan ang aking spine. Kailangan yan pag hindi yan palagi naka-curve. Ikaw ay palagi rin magkaroon na bronchitis. Saka madali ikaw mapagod. Hindi naman kalusog ang spine mo. So the lumbar spray is good. I-spray lang yan sa spinal cord, spinal column hanggang sa baywang. So far I love all this kanyang kung maglakad ako sa labas, ito ang aking dadalhin. Miracle oil kasi maliit. Ipahid ko lang kung saan ang gusto, lalo na sa tuhod, lalo na sa ibang parts na kailangan kailangan na maalagaan, may sakit. Pero hindi naman kaluba ang sakit. So this one, cloves, I'll get mga around 6 din in a glass of water. I will place it in the yung clear water. Then kung it will absorb, iinumin ko nga. That is very helpful also. Very helpful sa joint strength. May isa pa dito. Ito ay barley. Glutathione and collagen. Pero hindi ko maniwala na waiting. Ito lang ay master of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll ang kailangan. So it's again for antioxidant. Minsan wala kung gulay makain. So yan na lang barley ang iinumin. Place it in a glass of water. So far, itong mga ginamit ko are very useful. Lalo na ikaw ay you want to go out sometimes. So you have to use it so that you'll have a stronger joints and muscles. Then after you will have an exercise for 10 minutes daily in your legs, then you can make use of this when you go out. At naiwasan naman ang iba pang maglabasan ng mga weaknesses sa muscles at joints. So ito after 30 minutes. Dito ko ilagay. Oh, look at me. So, hindi ko makita. Hindi makita dito. Hindi makita. So, I'll just show it off later. So, yan lang ang aking counting ipakita sa inyo kung paano ko maagapan ang aking mga muscles at joints na mag-improve ang aking balance. So, yan lang. Yung first spine, then sa lahat-lahat may lunat sa all pains in the body, yan ang mahiling yan. So, hindi ka na mag-inom ng mga synthetic drugs. Ko rin ayaw ka na mag-inom kasi makasira sa kidneys. Makasira earlier sa kidneys. But may experience ko na may isang 30 years na nag-inom sa high blood, yung hypertensive na maintenance for 30 years. Then after 30 years, ang mahina na ang kanyang kidneys, nasira. Then nagtaas ang creatinine. So doon na natapos ang kanyang buhay because of more synthetic drugs in your body. So yan na lang ang magamit. Ang synthetic drug, minsan lang yan. Which you should not have to depend on synthetic drugs. Lalo sa mga pain relievers, magmahina ang kidneys mo din. Tapos, it will weaken your body. Then, after all, that will finish your life. So, I hope and pray may natutunan kayo na dito sa aking advice. Make your muscles and joints strong enough. Then, have some kinds of preventative with healing benefits, mga oil, gel. Di may isa pa dito, Arctic Blast. Maganda ito, bili ko ito sa US. Maganda rin ito. It's a mixture of camphor, oil, menthol. Kaya lang mayroong mainit at manghang. So I like that. That's a good, I think, liniment also. So, ito, it's a promo. So, this is, I bought it, take one, buy one, take one. So, lahat of ito have all healing benefits. So, thank you so much for watching. So, please take your time to take good care of your muscles and joints. Gusto ako na mag-serve sa Panginoon, to serve the Lord with good physical body with no problems when it comes to balance. So that is our responsibility. We could be a good stewards of our physical body. Pag hindi mo, if you not take good care of your body, so ikaw lang ang magsisi sa sarili mo. So you have to be physically fit. You have to go out and enjoy the sun. Then every day have 10 minutes exercise, whatever. You can move your toes, your legs, and your arms. So I do it every day. Then have more water for hydration. Then kailangan din ng mga yung kinain foods mo. They could be more on fruits, then more on chlorophyll, more on minerals, then vegetables. Yun lang, gusto ko yun lang. Mga soft at succulents. Gusto ko lang yan kasi I would have an allergy to my throat. Pag mayroong yung parang course, madali ako. So, it's only like okra because it's a good kind. Parang spinach, yung native spinach sa Pilipinas, alubati. I like that because it's slimy. Para namang hindi magka-problema ang tos. Soft food palagi. So thank you so much for watching. This is my channel, and is Rightly Dividing the Word of Truth. Then if you have a time, please watch my videos all about the sharing of the grace of God, gospel for salvation. Marami kayo matutunan because you have to prepare not only for the physical body but for your spiritual future, your eternity future. So yan ang ginagawa ko na mag-share sa gospel of the grace of God doon sa aking mga videos. Again, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Then like and share to your community. And thank you. Take good care. See you next.